So it's like 4:30 in the morning. I decided to make some spicy ramen noodles with eggs and onions and doctor it up my own way. So right now we got these cucumbers, and then I'm using Worcestershire sauce, some jalapeno peppers, my noodles, my spicy noodles, my sriracha sauce, my onion, and a couple of eggs. I'm gonna cook some boiled eggs, and then I'm gonna cook some eggs to put in the noodles. So shout out to Miss Fluffy for her spicy noodle mukbang. I'll put her video in the description down below. Make sure you guys like this video, hit the notification button, and comment down below if you like what you see. Here we go, let's get started. Okay guys, so I have my water boiling for my noodles. Add this little packet in here. And y'all, I think they still have them at Walmart. I think they're still available at Walmart. So I'm gonna put this little packet in. This comes in later. I have my cucumbers cut up. And my onions, and that will come in later, and I'll put my eggs in and let everything sit together. Let me know what you think of my struggle quarantine meal. Okay, so the water is boiling. So what I'm gonna do now is put my spicy noodles in the boiling water. It comes with this little packet, spicy sauce packet. Comes with 2 of them actually. There goes the other one. We're just gonna let the noodles come to a boil. Y'all, how is it 4:30 in the morning and I want noodles? Noodles for oodles. Alright, I'll come back when these boil. Okay, I'm back. So the noodles are coming to a boil. They're starting to get soft. Y'all see this? That's how they're supposed to look like. That's how your ramen noodles are supposed to look. Nice and soft. So I'm going to put it in another pan and let all my seasonings mix together with the sauce and everything. So I'm going to come back when I do that shit. Alright you guys, so I'm going to put some olive oil in here. Let me know down below how y'all doing in quarantine. Quarantine. My job gave me 10 days off. My birthday is next Saturday. So my job literally gave me 10 days off of quarantine. So we about to quarantine. Make sure y'all use a non-stick pan because these noodles, when they get to their stage, they get sticky, right? So we're gonna use some Worcestershire sauce. Let's go over there. I'm part Asian, so I'm full black, but I'm part everything. So I'm a mutt basically. So if I make some Puerto Rican, it's definitely gonna taste Puerto Rican. If I make some Asian like, it's gonna be Asian like. Just saying. So we're gonna put the sauce in. Normally, I would put the vegetables in first before I put in the sauce. But we're not doing that today. Well, that smells good. Y'all should smell it, hey. Now these things, this is what makes it hot. These little ingredients, that's what makes it hot, honey. Y'all check out my video with Yazzie Mendez, the spicy noodle challenge. I didn't put as much ingredients as I like to, but it's all good. We're gonna put in the onions. Then you doctor this up a little bit for y'all, you know. I got to use the extra pack, even though it's just meaty. It's just more, you know. Let me see if Auntie got some soy sauce over here. Y'all see how it's looking? how it's supposed to look. Put on my Worcestershire sauce. Not too much Worcestershire because you do have an aftertaste. I should have added some peppers in here. That's what I should have did. Now, if I don't have, like, I usually eat these with these right here. But I don't have any. I forgot what these are called. Lord Jesus. Chopsticks. It's all right. You don't need chopsticks. I'm putting some soy sauce. I sold some soy sauce packets in the Chinese place before this even happened. So, and package no package. You can disinfect it then to your liking. So, let's pop this up. Let's pop this up. Ooh, yes. On the TV piece. Put my eggs. I told y'all I got eggs. Put them right in there. Just thicken them up. Thick them. I was discussing this with y'all co-workers. With my co-workers, y'all ever had eggs and grits just to thicken them up? Shout out to Nisi. She told me eggs and grits is good. I might try it for one of my videos, sis. I just might. You know how y'all put eggs in fried rice? We gonna put the eggs in our noodles to thicken them up, alright? Alright. So next thing's next. Sriracha. We'll put our sriracha sauce in here. Hope y'all can see the noodles. Yeah, I get to see it. Not like it's already hot, but we're gonna add some jalapeno peppers to this. Whoop. Why not add the sauce too? Why not make it a little bit hotter? Ooh, this gonna be hot for my spirit, honey. All right, y'all, I'll be back. Alright, you guys, this is what I'm looking like. Spicy noodles made with eggs, jalapenos, and cucumbers on the side. Get you some. Get you some. Quarantine struggle meal. Day 3 for me. Quarantine struggle meal. Day 3. Yes, don't that look good? Don't that look good to eat? Enjoy, sisters and brothers. Make your own and let me know what you think. Make your own. Comment below, like this video, subscribe. Hit the notification button for future videos and give me ideas in the comments below. Love y'all. See y'all soon. See y'all Wednesday for $5 Wednesdays. Don't be late. Don't miss the appointment.